Hello guys, today let me show you how to pick the unique lines from a text file and append those unique lines to a destination text file. Okay, so let us see how to write the code for that. So first let me go open the destination file, destination equal to open. I'm using the relative path again here. So it's a destination text, comma. So since I will be appending it here, so it's append. Then we'll be going for source file, source equal to open. And since I'll be reading this file, so it's read more. Okay, now what I need to do is I need to set the lines, whatever it is, duplicate. X is equal to set. Okay, now what I need to do is I need to read line by line from the source file. So for line in source, if line not in X, then what I need to do is destination dot write. What I need to write, and to write the line, then X dot add line. Next I need to save the file, destination dot close. Okay, so let me make it more clear. So this is my source file here. So source file is having some duplicate entries, say how are you, and then some duplicate entries are there, right? So I need to pick the unique ones from there, say how are you and how is Python tutorial going on. So these two unique lines I need to copy from here, and I need to append it to Python file here. Okay, so let us run the code. So it is run. So this is my destination file, and you can see hello Python, how are you, how is Python tutorial going on. So hope you have understood this video. If you have liked this video, please press like button, and for more videos please subscribe. Thank you for watching.